Almost done with level 1. Let's get started. So this is reading a table video 1. We're going to go through this pretty quickly because most of it is what you just learned in the last video. We're just going to add a little bit onto it. So now we've got Emma's first shift at Starbucks, and they're making this perfect punch recipe that calls for cups of strawberry and cups of water. So we're going to real quick fill this table out. But what I want you to do, if you'd like, is to pause your video and try and fill this table out on your own, since you did just learn that in the last video. So feel free to do that, and then I'll explain it. If you want to just do it as I explain, that's okay too, but give it a try if you can. Go ahead and pause your video if you'd like. Okay, I hope you tried to do this on your own. I'm going to go through real quick explaining it. If you want to go back and look at 1C because it's going too fast for you, please feel free. So I noticed that 6 times 2 gives you 12, so we need to do 5 times 2 here to get 10. Then I did 5 times 5 to get 25, so then 6 times 5 gave me 30. To get from 6 to 36, we did times 6, so 5 times 6 would be 30. Got two 30s on here, but they're for different reasons. 6 times 10 gives us 60, so then 5 times 10 gives us 50. And the last one, 5 times 12 gives us 60. So 6 times 12 gives us 72. So those should have been your missing numbers. I hope you got them right if you tried them on your own. If not, that's okay too. And I hope you heard the explanation as to why these numbers are the ones we want. So anyways, this is the new part of the video that we really want, is to just be able to answer questions based off this table. So that's why we have to make sure we get the table numbers correct. Otherwise, it could impact our answers when we have certain questions. So if Emma wants to she's being asked to make some of this stuff. So she has 60 cups of water. So then how many cups of strawberry does she need to use? So all we need to do now that we have our table completed is look for the number that it says on here, find it on the table, and then look for the missing piece. So we know that we're talking about 60 cups of water. So we're going to look for that on the table, and it's right here. If you look cups of water, we follow, and it says 60 right here. And we want to know, well, how many cups of strawberry would it be? Well, strawberry is the top row, so if we look straight up from 60, that means we would need 50 cups of strawberry. And so that would be the answer. We're literally just using the table to answer those questions. They're there for us once we have it filled out. Okay, let's try one more. And make sure you do label 50 cups of strawberry. I don't mind if you use C for cups, that's fine, but you do need to specify strawberry because that's what it was asking for. So let's try one more. We have, if she has 25 cups of strawberry now, so if we look cups of strawberry, 25, that puts us right here. It's asking for how many cups of water does she need. So we look right below because the bottom row is water, and we need 30 cups of water. It's that simple. We will add on to this a little bit more in level 2, but that's all we need for level 1, being able to complete our table and read what parts we need from it. Okay, so this concludes video 1. Make sure you look at video 2 before you go on to that practice.